Hey everyone, it's Danny with Watches.com, and I have the Undone Caped Crusader watch that commemorates 80 years of Batman. So let's dive in and see what it looks like. Check out that cool bat logo. Alright, open it up. Batman 80 years. Moving on. The Caped Crusader features a titanium case, so it's lightweight. Pretty cool domed crystal. What I like most about the Caped Crusader is at the 9-hour position. It's the bat signal. So when you turn off the lights, this sucker glows in the dark. Pretty cool, right? On the back of the watch, you have an exhibition case back with the Batman 80 years logo on it. And then you can see all the internals of the chronograph. Alright, let's put it on the wrist and check it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember you can find this watch and 1,000 other cool watches on Watches.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.